If you want to check if your Google Pixel 10 is unlocked, what you can do is go to Settings. Let's open Settings. Then we're going to scroll down in order to find About Phone. Over here, scroll all the way down, and you want to keep tapping on Build Number until you need to enter your screen lock password. After that, you will see an information that you are now a developer. So we're going to go back, and we're going to open System. Now in here, you should be able to find the developer option, so you want to open it. And then in here, we want to find the OEM unlocking option. And what you can do is you can try to turn it on. So try to turn it on and try to enable. And if you actually can do this, it means that your Google Pixel 10 is unlocked. If you cannot turn it on, then it means that it is unfortunately locked. And that's pretty much it. And remember that it is actually better to disable this option, to keep it disabled. You should have this option left as enabled over here. So after you're done, just turn it off again and restart your phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.